September 5th, World Amazon Rainforest Day is commemorated most of all in Brazil with special celebrations. The date was established in 1850 to mark the creation of the province of Amazons, later give rise to the present-day state of Amazons. With its vast area of 6.7 million square kilometers, 5 million of which are covered by forest, the Amazon today is one of the humanity's most precious natural heritages. This biogeographic domain spreads out over 60% of Brazil's total land surface, and parts of it extend into 8 South American countries and 1 overseas territory. An estimated 33 million people inhabit the Amazon basin. If Amazonia were a country, it would be the 9th largest in the world. The Amazon rainforest has been described as the lungs of our planet because it provides the essential environmental world service of continuously recycling carbon dioxide into oxygen. More than 20% of the world oxygen is produced in the Amazon rainforest. The number of species of fish here exceeds the number of fishes found in the entire Atlantic Ocean. If it is about one species, just imagine the vast biodiversity of Amazon rainforest. There are approximately 40,000 species of plants, more than 400 mammals with almost 1,300 different varieties of birds, and an insect population in the millions. The Amazon rainforest, the world's greatest remaining natural resource, is the most powerful and bioactively diverse natural phenomenon on the planet. It contains the largest collection of living plant and animal species in the world. Here are certain wonderful creatures inhabiting there. The sloth, the slowest moving animal on the world. Here you can see the river dolphin. Then the squirrel monkey, especially endemic. They are small. Unlike most other New World monkeys, they cannot use their tail for climbing. The wonderful tapir. Look at skin special design. Here is the king vulture. The amazing bird species of Amazon rainforest. Just observe and appreciate nature. Very beautiful ones, isn't it? Here is some of the amphibian species. Cute guys. Fantastic to see. In spite of its inestimable environmental importance for the planet, as the home of an infinite number of animal and plant species, some of which are still not known to science as an important regulator of the global climate patterns. The Amazon is under serious threat from predatory human activities such as logging, mining, infrastructure construction, and the conversion of standing forest into areas of cropland. We are losing Earth's greatest biological treasures just as we are beginning to appreciate their true value. Rainforest once covered 14% of the Earth's land surface, now they cover only 6%. In 2019, Bolivia's forest fires have left more than 2 million animals dead that continue to burn across the region, including Amazon. It is estimated that Amazon alone is vanishing at a rate of 20,000 square miles a year. Scientists estimate that we are losing more than 137 species of plants and animals every single day because of rainforest deforestation. And experts estimate that the last remaining rainforest could be consumed in less than 40 years. The decline of the Amazon is an indicator that current human activity is having major impacts on Earth's most vital ecosystem. The beauty and majesty of rainforest are indescribable. It is impossible to capture on film or to describe in words. The scale of human pressures on ecosystems everywhere has increased enormously in the last few decades. We need to protect this life-sustaining treasure for the millions of species. Hope you all enjoyed the beauty and incredible biodiversity of Amazon rainforest. Please share this video.